Hi guys, Sencha here. Time for a once in a lifetime video. Thanks to my brother who gave me this for Christmas, I have a original Jungle booster pack from 1999 I believe. I might not be correct on the year, but at the end of the day these are a lot of money. And I was toying with the idea of not opening this. It is going to be a separate upload because of how rare this is, and well, it isn't impossible for me to get hold of these, but like I said, I shouldn't be opening this, but I am doing for you guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna pop off this sleeve and we'll try and open this as carefully as possible. Okay, so here we have the booster pack itself, and we have a nice little protective sleeve here. I wanted to put it in there, or if I get a holo out of this, that's where it'll be going and framed on my wall. So I'm going to try and open this as carefully as possible. This might be a bit of a sped up bit, so just bear with me. Okay, managed to open that pack and keep the pack intact, so I can put this pack back together and frame it if I don't get anything good. Look at this old school artwork, guys. Really, I haven't done the card trick because I don't know what it is. Wanted to surprise myself. Don't know what the cards are worth. So yeah, once in a lifetime. Let's get through this. Bellsprout. Meowth. Look how dated this artwork is. Jesus, so much nostalgia. Pokeball trainer card. Rhyhorn. Goldeen. Execute, Cubone, Scyther, Pharaoh, Nidorina, Primeape, and that's it. I can't remember if they had actually had excuse me, if they had reverses, but yeah, a bit underwhelming. But at the end of the day, what can you expect? This booster pack is over 10 years old at the end of the day, and it's once in a lifetime. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and the chance for me to get a holo is gone. Bye bye. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of me opening this once in a lifetime thing. As I keep saying, I should stop saying that. Slap me please in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next week for another upload.